Look closely at the animals and identify whose silhouette is this. That's right, it's a cow. Cow. Guess who this is? Excellent, it's a hare. Hare. Choose whose silhouette is this. It's a horse. Great. Horse. Horse. Who is hidden behind the shape? Correct, it's a dog. Dog. You're doing great. Let's move on. Guess who this is? Of course, it's a ram. A ram. A ram. Show whose silhouette is this. It's a turkey. You're smart. Turkey. Turkey. Choose who is concealed by the shape. Right, a rooster. Well done. Rooster. 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 Guess whose silhouette this is? Right, it's a cat. 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 Show who this is. Correct, it's a goat. 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 Wow, you're doing well. Let's continue. Who is hidden behind the shape? It's a pig. Correct. You're awesome. Pig. 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 Choose who this is. It's a goose. Excellent. Goose. Goose. Guess whose silhouette is this? Right, it's a hedgehog. You're doing great. Hedgehog. Hedgehog. Show who this is. It's a duck. Super. Well done. Duck. Whose silhouette is this? Correct, it's a donkey. 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 Choose who this is. Of course, it's a chicken. Excellent. Chicken. Chicken.